Hello and welcome for the closing remarks video for the expert course. Let's jump right in. Here are, as before, a few functions that weren't part of the course, but I highly recommend to study them as well. For the dynamic arrays, these functions are rep calls, rep rows, take and drop. Highly recommended to use to learn them if you want to deal a lot with dynamic arrays. I will potentially also make a video for some of those functions later on my channel. And then for the lambdas, reduce, scan, and make array are also worth studying, as well as also is omitted, as you saw before with in the lambda video with the optional arguments inside lambdas. And then, as before, I will provide you with a few more additional exercises. For example, one task with a little bit of mixtures there, mixtures of different elements. Then one more practice-oriented task, also with a mixture of different elements. And then I created, because I don't have the IP for the Excel eSport cases, I created my own Excel eSport case. Yeah, it's a very cool case. I will link all three things in the video description. Yeah, and this case is potentially a little bit longer. It will take you, so it take Diamond early the LeBron James of Excel for solving this case about half an hour. I will take potentially in the solving video a little bit longer because I need to explain you something along the way. So I will do then here in the following videos for to solve these exercises here. Feel free to do the exercises, check out the solving video, or reach if you have any questions. So with this, we are at the end of the expert course, except for the exercise videos. I hope you've learned something, and I hope also to see you. This will potentially take a little bit longer in the VBA course on this channel. Thank you for attention and your time. Bye.